Good morning, eighth grade. Just a little video here to ask a favor of you. Yesterday, the Pope asked everyone to join in prayer, saying the Our Father, and we got an update from May's mom that at 6 o'clock every night she is getting shots, and she doesn't really like shots. I'm sure we can all kind of understand that. And she's with her different treatments with the chemo and stuff, she is losing her hair, and so we feel like she just kind of needs that extra feeling of faith and support and love. So Mrs. Moylan and I are asking that each of you at 6 o'clock tonight say Our Father when she's getting that shot, and hopefully she feels all that love coming. So set a reminder on your iPads or your phones for a couple minutes before 6, and then when that goes off right at 6 o'clock, say the Our Father, and Mrs. Moylan and I will be praying as well. So take care, guys. Bye.